Patrick Laing with Certainty Management. As part of this Strategic Advisor Board YouTube channel, we've been asked to share stories from our career and our lives that can help you be more successful at business. I shared a glimpse real quick or an example of an employer I worked for named TrendWest Resorts. Yesterday, I spoke a little bit about them, how they were eventually acquired by Cendant Corporation for almost $1 billion. In time were bought out by Wyndham. They're now owned by Wyndham Worldwide. Well, to be accurate, they're managed by Wyndham Worldwide. See, TrendWest developed a product called WorldMark, the club. It's a collection of resort properties and high-end vacation or condominium properties that are actually owned by the customers. So we're all participants in the club. We're all members of the club. It's managed by, at that time, it was managed by TrendWest, eventually Cendant, and now it's managed by Wyndham. But I spoke a little bit yesterday about the culture, about the energy level and the environment and the music and the fun that they instilled into our work as salespeople and as closers. And it was an environment that was really attractive to customers. Literally, when they walked in, they could feel that buzz in the air. And it translated into millions and millions of dollars in business, eventually a buyout of close to $1 billion, as I said. Another thing, though, that TrendWest did really well is incentivize their salespeople, besides being very generous and encouraging us to earn as much as we could with no income ceiling. They had a very generous compensation plan. It was the first time I, as a sales rep, when I first started selling for them, made over 6 digits in my very first year. But another thing they did is they had a number of different contests and spiffs and just daily and weekly competitions. The most significant was what they called their President's Club. This is where you took the entire year and tried to sell either 100 new customers on the vacation ownership package, or you had to sell at least $1 million. When I came into the company, I was actually a customer first. I liked it so much, I applied for a job. And when I found out what the sales reps were making and just how much fun it was, I came in and just took off. Literally, most salespeople will take the entire 12 months to sell 100 customers or do over $1 million. I started in April and hit the $1 million sale by October. It was about a 7-month window. They made a big deal about that. But for me, it was like shooting fish in a barrel. It wasn't, I didn't feel like I was selling customers. I just had fun with them. I was excited about the opportunity and excited to receive all the recognition and rewards, the trip to Las Vegas, the jacket, the bonus, et cetera, that would come from hitting President's Club and the recognition that goes with that. But really, it was a combination of offering an environment that was so much fun, a clearly defined incentive program that we all could go after and that was really promoted well, and then just loving the customers, really just engaging them in the process. That's my tip for the day. I would tell my customers that I'm in a contest, that I'm working toward this big goal, have a good chance of hitting it. I'd appreciate your support. And we created this really tight-knit relationship with our customers. They were drawn in and intrigued by the buzz in the air and the energy, but they were also really supportive and excited about the opportunity as well. It was just a really great combination of I think a company that did a really good job, of managers that led with integrity and that were